This is going to be a quick little video on a Fisher-Price turntable. There is no cracks on it. I will get some really good pictures, but I didn't see any cracking or anything like that. I'll go ahead and put the record on here. There is some volume, so I'll go ahead and turn this on. See that it's spinning. So this is the volume all the way down.
With broken wings, no bird can fly.
I'll turn that down so you can hear me talk. And there is a pitch, so you got 33. This is like your standard 12-inch record, or if you're doing a little 7-inch or 45, then you got 45 speed, and you'll notice the tone here when I switch it to 45, it'll sound, it's really fast.
Life was wonderful. I flew as high as a bird in the sky.
So if you did have a 45, that would work.
Dreams coming true. And in your eyes, I saw lines in the sky. You broke my heart.
I will clean this up in better shape and get pictures all the way around, so that's the video.